Hi, this is Bill, and in this video I'm going to explain the body-worn camera for Ayonix Inside version. It's already been launched. You can start to order. So let me do a brief introduction. So the first one is that when you have these cameras, first we got a monitor over here. It's basically an Android phone. You can think about this way. So when you first have this, you can just open the app. You can go to the Android setting using the way you add the Wi-Fi by your phone. Exactly the same idea. When you add the Wi-Fi of this device, you will have the IP address of this device. Then take this Wi-Fi IP address using your NS client to log in. It will be exactly like what you saw right now. Then you can also add your NS Cloud account to this server. So which means no matter where you are, you can use the NS Cloud to access this IP camera, to access this body-worn camera directly. Okay, it's very easy to set up. And after that, let me give some brief intro of the button. This is push to talk. You can reference our another video. You can have a group talk with the BWC or the future release dash cam. This one is exactly like what you press the button, start the NS recording. And this one is the bookmark, which means sometimes if you saw some videos, some scene you want to bookmark for your operator to see, or in after your patrol, you can look at the bookmark. You can press this one. And the last one is the SOS. When you press the button, you will have the emergency event in the NS client. So it'll be easy for you to have these simple body-worn cameras with NS inside. The easy setting, you don't have to worry about steady camera or LTE. It's NS inside. So by the NS Cloud, you can access the body-worn camera anytime, anywhere. And the last one is that you can swap the battery, the front. It's hot swap. Very convenient. If you have some issues with the battery life, you can buy extra batteries. Okay, and this is intro for body-worn camera and NS inside. Thank you.